Hey, this is the second video of me trying out this luxury brand called Briogeo, and today I'll be trying their Farewell Frizz as well as their Don't Despair Repair Oil. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey girl, I'm sure you know by now if you follow my channel that I love my head wraps, and ever since becoming a new mom, I'm loving them even more. So when the opportunity came for me to partner with thewrap.life, I jumped on it. These guys specialize in providing quality head wraps, headbands, turbans, silk-lined beanies, and even scrunchies for your convenience. If you've got natural hair, you know that these things can be time savers and can just make life super easy for us. Now, whether you've got natural hair or not, head scarves, headbands, they just add a little bit of interest, a unique look to your already beautiful self. So don't feel like you have to be natural in order to use these. And what I love about these guys is just the variety that they provide. Girl, so much color, so much texture, different styles to choose from. Like, I'm spoiled just scrolling through right now. And for those of us that are just not that great at tying head wraps in general, they have got turbans, they've got headbands as well that are already made. So all you need to do is pop it on. However, if you do want to try some head wraps, they have tutorials, guys. As though that's not enough, there is actually an app that you can also use to access these tutorials and all other, cool things on the go. Now, you can earn points or what they call threads by simply referring a friend to thewrap.life or by simply buying in sets. You can also get 15% off your first order by simply subscribing to their newsletter. And of course, I've got you guys 10% off with my code coilydiaries at checkout. So go ahead and support Black business and elevate your style today. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair that I have placed in these bantu knots. How cute are these? My hair is actually a little bit on the dry side. Before I proceed to apply the Farewell Frizz heat protectant from Briogeo, I will spritz my hair with a little bit of water, apply the heat protectant, and then add the oil on top. My hair is already moisturized, as in I have a leave-in conditioner that I've applied throughout very lightly. So yeah, this is the process you see me do throughout the video. So I'll be applying 1 to 2 pumps of the product to one piece of my hair, working it through and then blowing it out with my blow dryer, the Purple Brush one from Revlon. And then once I blow dry my hair, I'm then going to apply the oil. Now, for those that don't know, Briogeo is a high-end luxury brand that claims to really help repair and revive the hair. With this particular Farewell Frizz heat protectant, it's supposed to provide smoothness, supposed to lock in moisture, and also protect the hair from heat damage, which is really good. So yeah, I just want to see how this works on my hair and how much I use and how my hair feels overall. So this product cost me about 43 Australian dollars, which is expensive, guys. However, like I've said, with other high-end products, you only use a little bit. Seriously, a little goes a long way. So you end up spending less overall over time because you're only using a little bit. And for those that don't know, I don't actually blow dry my hair that often. I just usually do it whether to trim my hair or, when I feel like I want, a stretched style, for example. So I think I will be having this product for a year, if not longer. So for me, the price is worth it, especially if it actually helps the overall health of my hair. In the long run, it's something that I don't mind spending a little bit of money on. Another thing that I'm doing is actually increasing the heat after applying low heat. So I first go in with a low setting and then proceed with high heat. And this has actually been proven to decrease damage. For those that don't know, I think I read an article before that actually spoke about gradually introducing heat to your hair in order to reduce the trauma of heat if you may to the hair, and that actually helps prevent damage. So I got a bit impatient and went ahead to try the oil just on that part. And as you can see, I've got the travel size of this oil. However, it does come in a larger size if you want to buy that one. If you wanted to purchase the full size, it'll cost 50 Australian dollars for 30 mils only. So yeah, very pricey. However, this oil claims to actually repair the hair cuticle of damage. Scientifically proven, guys. How many brands can boast that they can actually repair the hair and they've got proof for it, you know? So these guys claim to be able to repair the cuticle with just 2 uses, about 88% of repair. So repair the bonds in your hair, repair split ends, you know, and just improve the overall health. They do advise to use about 3 to 4 pumps for my type of hair. However, because I've got the travel size, I just went to town with the half on one side of my head and another half on the other side of my head. I had to pause to read the ingredients of the heat protectant because it had such a smoothing effect. It actually felt like a leave-in conditioner just on its own. And go figure, turns out there's actually glycerin in here, there's aloe vera, there's hydrolyzed protein, some good stuff in this product, and I can see why it feels so good on the hair. And again, glycerin has actually been shown to help reduce heat damage when used in a heat protectant or directly on the hair before using heat. So yeah, there you go. Now, my thoughts on the Farewell Frizz heat protectant. I think it's a creamy consistency. It's got a subtle perfume-like scent to it. I like that it's got a glycerin, which has shown to reduce heat damage when you're using heat on your hair. And I love that a little goes a long way. To be honest, my hair felt like I had a leave-in conditioner in it. I really loved how my hair felt. I mean, I did have the Shea Moisture leave-in, what was it, the Strength and Restore. I had a light amount before starting this whole process in the hair, so I'm sure that helped. But I think this product just as a standalone is really, really hydrating to my hair. My hair felt really soft when I applied it to the hair before I blow dry it, and even softer once I blow dry the hair. And I like that it didn't leave my hair feeling weighed down, and that a little goes a long way. The ingredients just really excite me because I know some of them and I know they're beneficial for my hair, so that's really good. The price point I feel can be justified, you know, because you only use a little bit. And for someone like me, I can easily include this in my regimen because I don't blow out my hair that often. So it's not something that I'll even be buying every year, if that. So this is a win for me. When it comes to the Don't Despair Repair Oil, same thing. It had a subtle perfume-like scent to it. I liked how it made my hair feel. Honestly, the combination of the two products was quite grand, to be honest. You know, it really felt soft and smooth and just really supple and not dry at all, especially the fact that I am using heat. My hair really felt good after using the oil and the protectant, the heat protectant together. The only thing I can say about the oil is that it didn't really give me shine. Well, not as much shine that I thought it would give. I think I can get better shine from just olive oil, if I was honest. But yeah, I like that you only have to use a little bit with the oil, and that it actually helps to repair the hair. And for those that are wondering, obviously none of this repair is permanent, in my opinion. Brands and companies will sort of say, you know, this will repair your split ends and whatnot. However, it kind of binds the split ends but does not permanently fuse them, if you know what I mean. So you'd have to sort of keep using these products or eventually cut your hair off. So just bear that in mind. Anywho, those are my thoughts on these products. Like I said, for both of them, the price point ends up being worth it depending on how often you use them. And you might just need to do this for a little bit until your hair is back to a state that you kind of like, and then go back to using your products, or just use it alternatively or intermittently with your usual products. Anywho, be sure to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know, have you used briogeo? Do you think you want to try it out? What do you use to sort of nurse your hair back to health or protect your hair while you are blow drying? Until next time, bye.